Hi, you guys. So, I'm gonna do some hair and makeup. Hair and makeup. We're gonna get this little pixie wig together. You know, it's looking a little crazy, but looks can be deceiving. Trust that. If you know me, you know looks can be very, very, very deceiving. And I'm about to get this little wig together. This is my straight pixie wig. It's a blonde color. If you're dark skinned, don't let no one tell you that you cannot go blonde. You just have to know the right blonde to wear. Don't go picking no crazy blonde, you know. Even though I'm dark, I can still wear the 613 though. I can still pull that off. You just have to know how to do it. You have to know how to do your makeup and all of that good stuff to pull off that 613 by itself. But yeah, I'm about to just put on this it's a simple little wig and a simple little beat. We're gonna beat down this face today. Not a real beat down. It's gonna be that simple beat down. It's gonna be easy. Very, very easy. I always do makeup. I always do the easy makeup tips, easy makeup routines, you guys. Hair as well. So I have no eyelashes, no eyebrows, no nothing on right now. But the good thing about this style, because it has like the little nice little bangs, I don't have to do eyebrows. I do have to do eyebrows, but I can do simple eyebrows. I'll show you what I mean. Since my glue is drying, I can just start on my eyebrows now. I'm going to use my little marker this time to draw on the lines, the hair strokes.
Oh, yeah.
Super, super easy. You could probably find one of these on Amazon or something. It's a 4-tip brow marker. I'm pretty sure you can find one on Amazon. That's all I'm going to do today for these eyebrows. I'm not doing no extra special stuff. That glue's almost dry. I'm going to speed up the process by going over it. Come on, I need you to dry up, get tacky. Oh, hey Ginger. Good to see you here too, Ginger. And Ginger, don't be afraid to try these pixie wigs. You look good in anything. I have a few more blonde ones left, and I also have a number 4. There's a number 4 is mixed with something else, so that 4 is like a brown color. Matter of fact, it's brown and auburn, so I think it's 4. I forget the other number, but it's brown and auburn. It's a nice color. I came on camera like this, you guys, so you can see how easy it is to get the pixie wig together. It looked a mess when I put it on. It still looked crazy, but watch when I finish it. Wait till I finish it. If I can do it, you can do it. It's super, super easy. Okay. So yeah, I done my little eyebrows, but that's all I'm doing to them today. I don't want them to look shiny, so I'll just put a little powder over it, just so it won't look shiny. Now, I'm gonna grab my, I love a good toothbrush for my hair, you guys. I'm not gonna even lie. I have a little bitty brush too for my pixie cut, but I'm so used to using this toothbrush because it works. I love it. And when you get your pixie wig too, I'm gonna cut it like this on the side, but once you get it, make sure you go back in and cut it to your liking, like make it as slim as you want it on the sides. Cause I'm about to go in and trim it just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and wet my toothbrush. And see, you can leave your pixie wig dry just like this so that you can have like that layered look like this if you want. Or you can wet it and it'll be more flat. Okay, so now I'm gonna go wet my hands because I wanna slick it down. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. I'm just trying to layer my bangs a little bit. If you can see, I'm just shearing them out just a little. This is very easy to do too. You guys see me doing this on camera, so that's why I'm saying you can do exactly what I am doing. I'm gonna put a little bit of it's got to be glue, gel. This is gel, you guys. I like this on my sideburns. It makes the sideburns hard, but you can just put some water on it to soften it up. But I like when they're like kind of stiff and stuck to my head. Did I really say that? Yes, I did.
Oh, yeah, right. I think I said I was asleep. I almost fell asleep. Yeah.
Oh, there's some of the hair got in my eye. Hold on. Got it.
I don't like this going to sit down in the car.
Okay, so what's gonna bring this look to life
Not in that car.
are my eyebrows. Not my eyebrows, my eyelashes.
Well, I gotta go to the store to get the music in the car.
Let me get up this little hair that I just cut up. That I just cut. Get that out the way. And see if my eyelashes are ready to be put on. Now, it don't look like I just got a haircut. A nice, freshly cute pixie haircut. Like it's my real hair. And you guys know I don't have no hair. Let me blow it up a little bit. I love how these lashes look. By the way, I do have these lashes available as well, you guys. And see, I like when the wig is just super flat to my head. Let me fix my little. I have this comb in the back. And I'm just adjusting it because I have a cap up under my wig as well, you guys, because My head is small. Now you know what else will bring this look together? I'm going step by step as you guys can see. I started gluing it. Then once I had it on, I put my eyelashes on. It's coming together, right? So now the next best thing is, okay, I already washed my face. So now I'm gonna put some rose hip oil. Okay. Make sure my eyelashes are on good.
Man, be careful so much like that.
Okay. Put these scissors up. Now, I'm using the rose hip oil for as well. I could use it as a primer, but I'm still gonna go and use my other primer. I was going to do that. You guys are seeing the real deal. This style is so easy. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. How do I do at the top? Just took the top off, put it down. Don't even see it right now. It's crazy, huh? Top, where are you? It's crazy. I just took it off. I'll find it in a minute. I have so much stuff in front of me. This is a fluffy brush. It's actually a blush brush, but I like it for doing my makeup. The advantage of wearing a wig like this is that you do not have to do the top of your face. You just have to worry about just the lower area. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour my nose, you guys. If you want to learn this technique, pay attention, look closely. I'm gonna use an angle brush. I'm gonna use a really, really light concealer. I'm gonna start with the line going straight down my nose. Smear it out just a little bit. And now I am going to get my bronzer in CoverGirl Queen, and it's in the color Ebony. I'm gonna wet the brush first. I'm gonna draw 2 lines on my nose on the side of the concealer. I'm doing the L shape. I'm gonna get a little bigger brush. It's still a fluffy brush, but it's like for, I guess, eyeshadow.
Mommy.
Yes.
Pink.
Oh, thank you, Ethan.
Yeah. That's for yours.
Thank you.
That's for yours, Mommy.
That's for me. Yes, it is. Say that's for you.
That's for you.
Yes.
That's you are good too, Mommy.
Did you bring me your toothbrush back?
No.
You gotta bring it back to me.
Huh?
Where you at?
Mom, I think.
I use this bronzer for a eyeshadow as well because it's pretty. It's pretty and it's natural looking. I'm not done with it yet, though, you guys. I know it looks harsh, but I am about to smear it with my fingers.
Oh, I think you had it when you went to the bathroom with your mom.
I'm gonna go down my nose again on the concealer, and now I'm gonna go back and go across my nose to give myself this little button nose. And now, let me wipe my hands off a little bit, you guys. Wipe my hands off just a little bit. And now I am going to, where am I looking for a brush? Powder brush. I need my powder brush. And I'm gonna go in with my one size fit all press. It's a brown powder. It matches our complexion to a T. It's really, really good. I get it from off of Sephora.com, or you can go to Sephora if you want. But it's a brown powder. It's by one size fit all. I'm about to go on the side of my nose to really, really snatch my nose now. I'm gonna show you. It's gonna look like I pinched my nose. I don't like to go all the way across my eye, up under my eye, because it'll start creasing. It'll give you lines and wrinkles that you don't even have. So I don't go across. I just kind of go right there in the middle, like a triangle. I go on the sides of the nose, up, and then across towards the center of the eye. Not center of the eye, but the corner of the eye. See the difference in my nose? I'm not even done yet though. Now I'm gonna take my powder. Not my powder, but I'm looking for my bronzer. This is a gold bronzer that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna highlight my nose. I'm gonna wet my brush. I'm gonna use a different color this time too, you guys. I think I'm gonna use a different gold. Get the tip of your nose, touch it, and then I'm going to get the center of my nose. I'm gonna touch it. I'm just trying to give myself like that slope in the nose. I'm just trying to make it more pronounced. And then I'm going to go down my nose. I'm going to make a little line. And then I'm going to smear it in. And then I'm going to go back in my powder and do the corners of my eye. Open up my eyes. Okay, now, I like when my cheekbones go up. Right now they're fine, but I want to kind of bring them out. I want to bring them out a little more, so I'm going to go back in with my ebony bronzer. This type of brush, angle brush. And I'm going to try to lightly touch my jawline. I don't know why I did that, but I'm going to go up like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with another bronzer, gold bronzer by Urban Decay Illuminator. It's Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Powder. It's gold, and I am going to put this on the high cheeks, my high cheekbones. I just want my cheekbones to pop. Put a little on my chin. Now, let's see, what do I want to do next? I'm going to get my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it's in the color Honey. And I'm gonna put this right under my contour on my face. A little here. I'm just trying to give myself that really, really soft look. Well, I guess I can say filter look. When you take your pictures, it look like you have on a bomb filter. And there you have it, you guys. I am done. I am finished. I'm happy with how it turned out. And now I can play with my bangs. If I kind of like want them to go over to the side, I can do it like that. I can bring it in. Let me see which way looks the best for me. I can even have it. Let me bring it forward. I didn't even do my lips, you guys. I'm talking about I'm done, right? Let me do my lips real quick. Then I'm done. Then I'll be done. Okay. I'm gonna do an ombre lip because I have this blonde hair on. So I'm gonna do, it's gonna be Chestnut Brown by MAC. I'm using the back of the pencil to smear it. And be careful, you guys, because your lips are very, very delicate and you don't want to rip your lip because you can. But my lips I had some gloss on it ahead of time. Now I can say I am done, you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And follow me on YouTube. I'll share it later. Talk to you guys later.